Hey guys, welcome to another virtual story time. I'm Kelsey and we're here today at the Cuban Palms exhibit in a kind of a new location over here. So we've got Christmas in just a few days, and so today we're going to be reading one of our last Christmas books of the year. There's an elf in your book. So let's get started. What could this be about? There's an Elf in Your Book by Tom Fletcher. Oh look, there's an elf in your book. Elf's here to do the nice list test with you. You need to be on the nice list if you want Santa to bring you Christmas presents. For you to pass the test, Elf will ask you to do some nice things. But watch out, elves can be a bit mischievous. Don't get tricked into being naughty, okay? When you're ready to take the test, turn the page. Good luck! Think we're gonna pass, guys? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's start with an easy one. Touch your nose. Got it. To see if you pass the test, turn the page. Good job! You passed the first test. Now, blow a Christmas kiss. Mwah. Do you think you passed? What a lovely Christmas kiss. You passed the second test. What's next? Sing a cheery Christmas song. Fa la 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 la. Let's see if you passed. What Christmas song did you sing? Beautiful singing. You passed the third test. Now say, I'm a Weisenheimer Sparklebutt. Wait a second. This sounds like a naughty trick. I think Elf is testing you. Don't say, I'm a Weisenheimer Sparklebutt. Now turn the page. Phew, it was a test. Thank goodness you didn't say it. You passed the fourth test. How is the nice list going so far, Elf? Awesome. Keep it up. Name Santa's most famous reindeer. We've got Dasher? No. Dancer? No. What about the one with the red nose? Does anybody remember his name? I think it was Rudolph! Correct. You passed the fifth test. You're great at this. Now, do your loudest, stinkiest pizza burp. Ew. Stop, stop, stop. Do you think this is another naughty elf trick? I think it might be. It was another trick. Good catch. Keep this up and you'll be on the nice list in no time. What's next, Elf? Let's see, we gotta turn the page. Now for the final test. Make Elf laugh. Well, to make Elf laugh, you'll have to tell a joke. Have a look in the Christmas joke book. There's the Christmas joke book. Turn the page to open it. What could be inside? What do elves do on the toilet? Sounds like it might be another trick. Jingle smells. Oh, we made him laugh. Oh no! The joke was a mischievous elf trick to make you say something naughty. Does this mean you failed the test? Oh no, did we fail? Surely you can't be on the nice list if you've done something naughty. It looks as though Elf feels bad for tricking you, but rules are rules. Oh no, look, he feels sad. Hang on a second. The test was to make Elf laugh, and you did. So, you passed the nice list test. Woohoo! Hooray, you're officially on the nice list. And look, what's this? Wow, it's your official nice list certificate. Make sure you leave this book out on Christmas Eve Santa will want to check it. Until then, Merry Christmas and stay safe. All right, the end. We passed, thank goodness. So happy. So for this week, we have a special Christmas craft, and we also have a Christmas activity, both of which you can find the tutorials to make on our Google Classrooms page. So make sure to check out Keywest.garden/education to find the link to our Google Classroom. Our craft this week is a special nature-inspired Christmas tree craft. So all you need for this craft, first, you'll want to go on a little walk, maybe throughout your neighborhood, around your house, and find some sticks. So I found 2 sticks. They're about the same length. One that's a little bit shorter, and then an even shorter one for my stem right here. Then I just used some yarn. You can use string or ribbon or yarn, anything that you have at home. I use little puff balls to decorate mine. I just glued them on with hot glue. But again, you can use anything you have at home, maybe buttons. I used a gemstone for my star at the top, puff balls, anything else that you want to decorate with. And just glue them on, and you have a cute little Christmas tree. For our activity this week, we have a holiday scavenger hunt. So this is a lot like we did one for Halloween, if you were with us then. So there's a few things you want to look for. See if you can find an evergreen tree, like a Christmas tree, a present, a wreath, maybe on your door or on your neighbor's door, a candy cane, a menorah, that goes for Hanukkah, holiday lights, an elf, like the one we just read about, a red flower, and a reindeer. So you can go online, print this out, and then cross them off as you find them. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me again. Merry Christmas, and I hope to see you again next week.